Hello guys, in this video we will be showing to you how to use green screen on CapCut in 2023. First of all, you open the CapCut. So simply click on new project and you can see that I have this one and take on it. So you have to take our first overlay and then I will add the green screen now with subscriber button. You can see then I can take on anything for atom overlay. You can take any overlay for atom. So I can see this one with the subscribe button now. So I take this one so that you can see it. I just take this overlay. You can see that I have done this. After that what you have to do is click on the overlay that is right in below and click on add. Then you can add your green screen, like with me add green screen with the subscribe button. So I add it. You have to click add on it. Then I set it a little bit on screen. After setting this on screen, what you have to do is that below is and here you can see the cutout and have to click on it. And after that you have to click on the Chroma key. You can see after that after that you have to click on color packer and select the green screen. I select the green screen, green color I mean, and after that you have to click on intensity and after that you have to adjust it. So I will adjust it. Then after that you can see that my green screen has been removed. So guys, that's all. See you in the next video.